Hello guys, it's beginning wire one. I don't know what's the name of the show yet. I think maybe the worst show ever. Today, my uncle comes to my house and I started to film him. I think that's... Well, I started to film him. Then I'm editing all the videos I've made of him. And it's a pretty good video. I put in the doobly-doo. The doobly-doo. The link's on the doobly-doo. My light is on the camera. Stop it. So I think I'm gonna do the show like that. It's working, huh? It's working, I guess. So let's go. Hello guys, I'm here to talk about a very serious business. It's about races, illegal races that occur in this street very much. Can you see that? That fucking car that passed right behind me is a fucking car, and he's doing race. There's another one that's going to pass me by right now, and you're gonna see he's very, very fast. See, he's very fast. Illegal races occur all the time in the street, in this street, cause there's no signalization. Oh, here, damn, here. Stay up, motherfucker. Yeah, up. Just wait a second, there's a plane coming by. Now we wait. So they don't know how fast they should walk. And here occurs a lot of... As you can see, I changed my location because one of the delivery here don't want to talk to me. Because, you know, she doesn't want me to. So, let's go. Yeah. That thing, that velocidade máxima should say, how fast should you walk? But look at that, there's no numbers in that. How I will know how fast should I walk? So, I have found a lot of people who tell me what they think about that. Wanna see one of them? What do you think about the carjackers and the illegal races that occur here? He said he doesn't like it. That one is pretty upset. So, today was a productive day. I started to annoy a cat. It was pretty damn funny. Show me your blue eyes. Show me your blue eyes, you damn. Show me your blue eyes. Show me your blue eyes. Show me. Show me. I'm annoying the cat. I will annoy you to the day you die. Don't look at me like that. Are you going to kill me or what? Holy shit, the cat's going to kill me. He's chasing me. That cat was a pretty badass. He almost killed me. I didn't like it when that dog said my food smelled like cheese. As you can see, that's my Crocs. That shit doesn't fit my shit. Look. Yeah. It's like if the oh shit, my neck. Fuck. So I decided to do something. Let's see if it works. I don't think so. So, that was my show. I hope you enjoy it. See you next day. Well, I don't have a schedule yet. I see you sometime.